Do you think that it's any coincidence that on August 15th, Russia will begin its official testing of the digital ruble with 13 partner banks? Now, this is a digital currency that is supposed to be backed by gold. 52 years to the day since the world was changed forever by this. The strength of a nation's currency.
Yes, the strength of a nation's currency is based on the strength of that nation's economy. And the American economy is by far the strongest in the world. Accordingly, I have directed the Secretary of the Treasury to take the action necessary to defend the dollar against the speculators. I have directed Secretary Connally to suspend temporarily the convertibility of the dollar into gold or other reserve assets, except in amounts and conditions determined to be in the interest of monetary stability and in the best interest of the United States.
Bless my money printer.
And let me tell you, inflation is a real pain in the ass.
Jay Powell has you by the balls.
All right, lots to get to. Let's start right here. Institutional investors continue to bet big on XRP following Ripple's partial CT win. SARP funds attract institutional investors as AUM grows 127th year to date. You can see in this report from CoinShares linked below. XRP saw $500,000 in inflows and is now on a 16-week run of inflows, while AUM has risen to about 127 since the beginning of the year. Moving over here, see becoming unpopular in crypto circles since XRP victory. To whoever wrote this story, I say, thanks, Captain Avius. Take a look at this. XRP, while the majority is freaking out, we are back at the 618 Fibonacci level right there at 59 cents. We have been talking about this area between the 618 and the 786 fib levels as a possible good region if you are looking to add more XRP. This is pretty interesting. You can see in this report titled Saudi Central Bank and Central Bank of the UAE Joint Digital Currency and Distributed Ledger Project. In this report, the Central Bank of the UAE mentions Corda and Hyperledger for cross-border settlements. This is important because R3 launched a universal settler application to facilitate global payments on Corda and was the first settlement mechanism. The reason this news is timely right now is this. India makes first crude oil payment to the UAE in Indian rupees. Check this out. Breaking Finance joins Ripple XRP to fight for customers, investors, and the entire industry with the protective order against CXC and Gary Gensler. According to Reuters, the protective order seeks to limit the CXC, among other things, to 4 depositions from BAM employees and to drop the depositions of BAM's chief executive and of its chief financial officer without naming anyone. This is becoming a bit of a trend as we also see this. Coinbase launches Stand with Crypto Alliance, reports 52,000 advocate signups on the first day. According to Coinbase, the Stand with Crypto Alliance is an advocacy organization focused on mobilizing the crypto community to directly engage in the legislative process. Moving over here, XRP competitor, Stellar, gets equity in MoneyGram, plans to disrupt payment sector. From Stellar CEO, Danielle Dixon, the decision to invest in MoneyGram was an easy one. After years of getting to know the business and the teams, we are excited to take part in MoneyGram International's next chapter. It's been an awesome few years working together, and we're excited for what's next. Take a look at this. SARP market depth booms on Gemini after $50 price spike from crypto analytics firm Kaiko. Last week, XRP's one market depth on Gemini saw a brief dip as market makers pull back post a rapid $50 price spike. They say good news, depth has rebounded, setting at around 150,000 XRP. With much of the crypto market down today, someone forgot to tell HBAR. Hedera, HBAR blooms 21, unlocking the factors behind the rise. Before we conclude, I'd like to mention that there have been other noteworthy news in the crypto world. If you're interested in learning about them, kindly subscribe to this channel so I won't miss out.